How to send money from PayPal to Payoneer. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from your PayPal account to your Payoneer account. So first of all, just open your Chrome browser or any other browser that you're using, and here on the search bar, just search for your PayPal and open your PayPal account. And here on the home screen, under the PayPal balance section, you will see these three dots. Just click on go to money page, and after that you will see these options called link a bank account or link a new card. In order to link a new bank account, we need Payoneer information. Just open your Payoneer account, and here on the home screen, under the balance section, in the USD, you will see these three dots. Just click on that, and in this drop down menu, just select receiving accounts. And here on the approved account section, you will see USA, and just click on USA bar, and here you will see your account details like your bank name, your routing number, your account number, your account type, and your account address. Just copy all these credentials from here, from your Payoneer account, and open your PayPal account again and click on link a new bank. And after that, just fill all the information that you have copied from your Payoneer account to your PayPal account, and this is how you will be able to link your PayPal account to your Payoneer account. And this is how you will be able to transfer money from your PayPal account to Payoneer account.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.